it is lifting up the bagel and going to put it into the toaster. Now it is waiting for 7 seconds for the bagel to toast. It picks up the bagel from the toaster and is now lifting it to move it into the robot that moves the toast, or bagel I mean, to the person. Now the bagel, now
that's okay.
cracking the egg. No, the egg is frying. Flip the egg. Okay. Then it brings it over to the robot. And then that goes in there. And then that goes in there. And then what's next? The orange juice. Orange juice. That goes there. Gatorade bottle's over here. And it's going to drop it in here. And then it let go, and it's having this filled cup of orange juice, but it is lifting, and then it's coming over, and it's putting it in here, into the other robot, and then it's gonna